Hey again. Okay, we are inside at my open house. Again, I'm at 2703 La Mesa Drive in South Austin today, holding an open. Obviously, I am beside myself excited to be back in Austin, Texas and doing real estate here. I hope you'll come and visit me at the open house. It's gonna be 3 to 5 p.m. today. I did give you a look at the outdoor living space. Now I wanna take you on a real quick spin around inside and just show you how beautiful the updates are on this home and hope that you'll come and see them in person this afternoon. So right now I'm on the main level and I'm in the office, and I just wanted to give you a peek at the styling of the home. You've got neutral colors throughout this house. It's very modern. The house was actually built in 2008, but they have done just enough updating here to make it feel like it was built yesterday. Really high ceilings. You've got the can lighting, lots of windows in here letting in the natural sunlight as well. And it's a nice flow to the floor plan. So it's not completely wide open, which I hear a lot of people are kind of steering away from these days. So you've got this great living space, the office off the foyer, and then it flows real smoothly into the dining area and then the kitchen. Kind of a galley kitchen. Beautiful gas range here with 5 burners for all you chefs. And that's your laundry nook back in the back there. I do want to pop upstairs real fast and just show you the master bedroom because I love it. It's oversized. You've got a little seating nook in there. But there's so much to love about this home, you need to see it. So when you come to the top of the stairs, you've got a guest bedroom on each side, flanking the guest bathroom in the middle. Check out these built-in shelves along the stairway though. Aren't those nifty? And then back this way, you've got your master bedroom. High ceilings up here again. Just opening up the space, that's your nook. You could make a little office area there. If you've got little ones, you could always put a crib there, make a little nursery in the master. I know a lot of people like to do that. French doors leading to this big, beautiful bathroom. You've got your dual vanities. There's a little closet there for your linens, but then there's also a giant walk-in closet on the other side of the master bedroom. Isn't that great? Lots and lots of room for all your shoes. Okay, so this house is 2,200 plus square feet. It is built in 2008 and it's listed at $995,000. It's been on the market about 2 months. They did drop the price quite a bit to get it to where it's at now, and I don't see it sitting here much longer at $995,000. You've got the fabulous walkable neighborhood of South Austin. Again, we're right on Bouldin Creek. So you've got a little creek that's gonna run through your backyard, which is so cute. You've got Austin ISD. Dawson Elementary is actually walking distance. It's 0.4 miles from here, so that's great. There's lots and lots of coffee shops and restaurants and live music venues, and everything that you love about Austin is just a stone's throw away from this house. So come and see it in person. Let me give you a tour. And if you're unable to make it today, make sure that you get in touch with me so I can bring you back and show you some time that works for you. Hope y'all are having an awesome Sunday. Talk to you later.